The end of Wi-Fi. What will replace it by 2040? Wi-Fi. It's the invisible backbone of our connected world, but like all technologies, its reign will eventually end. By 2040, a new generation of wireless communication will likely supersede it. What will this future look like? What technologies are poised to take over? Let's explore the potential successors to Wi-Fi and the forces driving this technological evolution. Wi-Fi, despite its ubiquity, has inherent limitations. Congestion in densely populated areas is a persistent problem. Bandwidth constraints hinder the seamless streaming of high-resolution content and the operation of latency-sensitive applications. Security vulnerabilities also remain a concern. As our reliance on connected devices grows, these limitations become increasingly critical. The need for a more robust and efficient solution is clear. One promising alternative is Li-Fi, which uses light to transmit data. Imagine your light bulbs doubling as internet hotspots. Li-Fi offers significantly higher speeds and greater security compared to Wi-Fi. It's less susceptible to interference and can be deployed in environments where radio waves are restricted. However, Li-Fi requires a direct line of sight, limiting its range and mobility. The evolution of cellular technology is another key contender. 6G, currently under development, promises speeds far exceeding even the most advanced Wi-Fi networks. Its ultra-low latency will enable new applications like remote surgery and autonomous vehicles. 6G will leverage advanced technologies like terahertz frequencies and artificial intelligence. This will create a more intelligent and adaptive network infrastructure. The rollout of 6G will likely coincide with the decline of Wi-Fi as the primary wireless standard. Satellite internet constellations, like those being developed by SpaceX and others, offer another compelling alternative. These networks promise to deliver high-speed internet access to every corner of the globe. This will eliminate the digital divide and provide connectivity in remote areas where traditional infrastructure is lacking. While latency has been a concern, advancements in satellite technology are steadily reducing delays. Satellite internet could become a viable option for both residential and commercial users. The future of wireless communication may not be about a single replacement for Wi-Fi. Instead, we might see a convergence of technologies. Li-Fi, 6G, and satellite internet could work together seamlessly. Devices will intelligently switch between networks based on availability, speed, and security requirements. This integrated approach will provide a more reliable and versatile connectivity experience. The transition from Wi-Fi to these new technologies will have a profound impact on our lives. Faster speeds and lower latency will unlock new possibilities in entertainment, education, and healthcare. The Internet of Things will become even more pervasive, connecting billions of devices and creating smart homes, smart cities, and smart industries. The metaverse will become more immersive and interactive. Remote work and collaboration will be seamless and efficient. The possibilities are truly limitless. The end of Wi-Fi is not a doomsday scenario. It's an opportunity to embrace a new era of wireless communication. By 2040, we will likely be relying on a combination of technologies that offer greater speed, security, and coverage. The future of connectivity is bright. It promises to transform our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. Are you ready for the next evolution?